Welcome to Future Husbands. Today we will discuss the daily current affairs of 26th August 2021. Let's start. US based OHM International has started India's first green hydrogen electrolyzer manufacturing unit at Bengaluru, Karnataka. The factory will manufacture the Indian made proton exchange membrane. Full form of PEM is proton exchange membrane hydrogen electrolyzers. Green hydrogen is made from non-fossil sources as against blue hydrogen that is made from fossil sources. Next one. United Arab Emirates, the world's largest and tallest observation wheel, is set to be unveiled in Dubai, United Arab Emirates on October 21, 2021. The observation wheel, called as Ain Dubai, is 250 meters in height located at Blue Waters Island. The record-breaking wheel is 42.5 meter taller than the current world's tallest observation wheel. Higher roller in Las Vegas measuring 167.6 meters. And UAE capital is Abu Dhabi and UAE currency is United Arab Emirates Dirham and President of UAE is Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Dubai sets up specialized Dubai courts announced the establishment of a specialized court focused on combating money laundering within the Court of First Instance and Court of Appeal. This court ties into a string of initiatives aimed at reducing financial crimes and follows the recent establishment of the Executive Office of Anti-Money Laundering and Countering the Finance of Terrorism. Next one. Reserve Bank of India has approved the reappointment of Sandeep Bakshi as ICICI CEO of ICICI Bank. This will be effective from October 15, 2021 till October 3, 2023. Bakshi, who has handpicked by his mentors KV Kamath and NV Ragan, took over the charge in October 2018. And ICICI Bank headquarters is located at Mumbai, Maharashtra, and ICICI Bank tagline is Hum Hai Na Kya Aapka. Next one. BharatPe. BharatPe has launched 12% Club app that will allow consumers to invest and earn up to 12% annual interest or borrow at a similar rate. BharatPe has partnered with Lend & Club for this app and lending arrangement. And Chief Executive Officer of BharatPe is Ashni Grover and headquarters of BharatPe is located at New Delhi and BharatPe founded on 2018. Next one. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has launched the Startup Accelerators of MEITY for Production Innovation Development Growth Samriddhi. Full form of Samriddhi is Startup Accelerators of MEITY for Product Innovation Development and Growth. The program was launched by Sri Ashwini Vaishnav, Union Minister of MEITY. The main objective of the Samriddhi program is to create a conductive platform to Indian software product startups to enhance their products and securing investments for scaling their purposes. Next one. Ministry of Jal Shakti launched a 100 days campaign named Sujalam to create more and more open defecation free plus villages by undertaking wastewater management at the village level. And the campaign would help in the management of the wastewater and in turn would help to review the water bodies through the creation of 1 million soak pits and also other greywater management activities. The campaign started on August 25, 2021 is a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The three focus areas of the Sujalam campaign are construction of 1 million soak pits, retrofitting of toilets and access to toilets for new households. And Minister of Jal Shakti is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Next one. Ajit Doval. The 11th meeting of the BRICS High Representative responsible for national security was held via video conferencing. The National Security Advisor of India, Ajit Doval, hosted the meeting in India is the chair of 2021 BRICS Summit. The 15th BRICS Summit is scheduled to be held in September 2021. The BRICS meeting of the National Security Advisor provided a platform for 5 countries to strengthen political security cooperation. And Ajit Doval and other top security officials of the BRICS discussed the Afghanistan scenario and development in Iran, West Asia and the Gulf region. Next one. The 5th edition of Indo-Kazakhstan Joint Training Exercise Kazin 21 will be held from August 30 to September 11, 2021 at the training node Aisha Bibi, Kazakhstan. A joint training exercise will boost the bilateral relations between India and Kazakhstan armies. And the Kazakhstan PM is Askar Mamin and capital is Nur Sultan and currency is Kazakhstan tenge. Next one. International Dog Day is celebrated every year on August 26 to raise awareness about dog adoption and importance of providing rescue dogs with a safe and loving environment. The day was started as a National Dog Day in the US in 2004 by pet and family lifestyle expert. Next one. Farmer. Okay. India's first sectoral index in the agri-commodities basket, that is GOREX, was launched by the National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited (NCDEX). The full form of NCDEX is National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited. The weightage of the Garacid and Gargum refined spirits in index will be 63% and 37% respectively. The index futures will be cash settled initially. GOREX futures contracts expiring in September and October will be made available for trading. Next one. Former Indian footballer O. Chandrasekhan passed away. Known as Olympican Chandrasekhan is his hometown state Kerala passed away. Chandrasekhan, who played a defender, was a member of the Indian team in the 1960 Rome Olympics, the last time the country participated in football at the games. And O. Chandrasekhan is passed away, former Indian footballer and Olympian. Thank you.